The Last Airbender.
Open it now.
Oh yeah. I'm trying not to get you in. I'm just trying to video it. Like.
Wait, this is
Oh God! What the
the
hell? What? Is it massive? Is that my part? Is that my part?
Wait, it's up.
Is that my part?
Which one's my part? That's my
It all goes together, hang on.
Yeah.
Just don't touch it yet until you put it.
Right. Oh.
Move this out the way.
Mama, I'm gonna go inside.
The hell?
Hang on, sit still.
You have to put that bit up.
Big belly.
And then this bit goes on the end of there, isn't it? On the end of
Oh, I
that.
didn't realise it was this big.
It goes on there, on the ends.
Wait, how do
Huh?
Oh, can you? Oh, there.
Why do we build it and then colour it? How are we supposed
no.
to? Wait,
Because this is the
Wait,
part
did
of the ship.
I bring my Sharpies down?
Yeah.
Can I bring more copies?
The guy.
It falls there.
Oh yeah. It's over there.
Sorry.
What, is this the inside of, is this inside?
I'll colour mine over here.
Wait, where's my pieces?
Hang
Give
on.
us a sec, not even built.
Why do we build it first?
Says you fold that. Check up. Oh, there, like that.
Fold that in.
And then that tucks in
We
there.
need. Wait, it's been like a minute and 59 seconds.
Oh yeah, hi guys.
What the hell? God, Sonny, you've knocked it on the floor,
You
mate.
know the taps?
Right.
They're pulled back through.
Oh yeah, hi
That's right, yeah,
guys.
Sonny's with
Bend
us.
in the middle.
And my
Oh,
mum.
bend in the middle then go back through the hole.
What the hell? Oh, you're on a rocket ship. Whoa.
You hit me.
Fold that.
Oh.
And drop that one through. Yeah. And then they're falling out. And they're tucked back through that hole there.
Well, I was putting
Sin,
Not yet. you just-
Sin said he was a media.
That, so that bends down, that.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I'll show you now.
That folds there. That must fold. That folds over there. Look.
Punch.
That goes like that.
What the hell?
Bend them as well, isn't it? They're bending the
Sonny,
hole
I've
for
got it. Whoa! Get it. Sonny. 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 I got it. Butt cheeks. Yeah.
Whoa! Oh god! Oh god! Hey, don't get in front of me.
Frankie, pass us the boxes there.
The box.
Where's the front bit on this? So this goes round the other side now.
Oh!
This has to go. This goes in there now. This was just, does this just lock in there?
We finally finished, aren't we?
Nearly.
Nearly finished. No, we are finished.
So come here.
We finished! One cheese. Dad, is that how you do it?
Right, yeah.
Hey, I'll show you
And then,
another big plan. Sonny, where are your
that'll be the
markers?
door.
That's a door, that's a door, isn't it?
Sonny, where are your markers?
You've got windows around it.
Show it to the camera. Markers! Yeah!
There you go.
It's finished, Dad.
It's a 24
When
pack.
you do the cannon.
Yeah,
Why is it gibberish? Why is it gibberish on the camera? What the hell?
Totally.
Look at my shop. Why is it gibberish? Why is it?
Down, Marlon.
No.
What is it?
I'm a Barbie
Is your
girl.
dog? I didn't know.
In a Barbie world, imagination. That is your
Oh, that's why.
creation. Oh! Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac burger from McDonald's. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, we ready to colour? Yeah. Hamburger, cheeseburger, fat Kentucky. So can I turn the camera around?
If you want to show it.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac burger. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Mac burger. Look at that, bruh. Look at that. Look at that. Can we colour yet? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can already colour. Right, let me just get a good angle. Let me just get a good angle.
No, it's you play colour stuff, different colours.
Got a like what?
I want to go that side, don't you? Are you colouring one side?
No, I'm
you're
going this
colouring
side.
the
I'm going this side.
other. At least colouring this side.
I'm going this side.
Alright, whatever.
Make sure you try and stay in the lines.
Do a good job.
I'm gonna do
Go on
this
then, go to the
side.
toilet then.
Wait, Mum, I want to get in.
Sonny,
Go for a wee
Go to the
first.
toilet first.
Hamburger,
Go, 'cause you
cheeseburger.
weed
Go
yourself.
on, for a wee
Sonny,
first.
go for a wee.
How I didn't leave
It's
my
okay,
phone.
go for a
Go,
wee now.
go,
We
quick
won't
then.
start
Go
without
for
you.
a wee.
We won't start without you, but if you wear your pants, you won't be good.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Good video.
Yeah, good video. Right, I'm gonna start colouring from the paper. How are we even supposed to colour when it's done? It is too hard to colour. He's got wee in his pants.
You're only a baby.
No, he's a toddler, you don't
Well,
pay.
you stop videoing now.
What?
Stop videoing.
Why?
Because you don't need to listen to all that stuff.
I guess so. We just started this. I already can't be bothered doing this. I'm gonna do a part 2 on it later. There you go.
Why do you already not want to do it, Frank?
I don't know. Maybe because this man's crying.
He's not now.
I literally can't be bothered doing this.
So nice.
I've already coloured in like one part of the beard. I don't want to do it. Right, I'm gonna go in it. I'm gonna go in it. Guys, I'm gonna go in it. Here, Joe. Can I come through the door?
This one is going to be like a man. Hello. Hello. You can come in.
Whoa. Don't break it. Don't break it.
Yeah. I'm in the dog.
Can you... Whoa! Bad chicken. Why would you build it up first? Wouldn't it be
That's the whole
easier?
point
That's
of
the
it.
whole point of it.
I can barely fit in there.
But it does say 3+.
Yeah, I'm
Maybe
going
it's
on the
pouring.
colors out here. Oh. Go out the book. Did I break it?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
It's a good treat rabbit here. I fixed our rabbits now.
Thanks, Amanda.
Yeah, sure.
Why? It's too close. Can you move it back? Now I'm regretting my whole life.
What's this?
I've only done like 2 hairs and I've been
So
collecting
where's the
my
lid,
life.
Ellie?
I don't know where people is. Make sure you put your lids back.
We're
on,
gonna
don't
do
you,
like the
Mary?
part 2 or part
Does
3.
anyone know where the lid is?
No.
So, here it is.
going to take us like 2 hours.
At least, and that's the plan.
What, so it's a plan to
Maybe
make us
one
2 hours?
Friday you're not supposed to whinge about doing it.
This might even take us 2 days. And I won't be here in 2 days.
You don't have to rush it. It needs to look nice.
Yeah, no, it needs to look nice. Whoa, Sonny, stop it! Sonny!
Frankie, he wants to play.
He wants to play while we're going.
Make sure you get colour in the lines, Frank, so they like you were taught at nursery.
Oh, hello. But no. Mum, this is the pirate stuff. Mum, look at it.
Yeah, it's good that one, isn't it?
This thing.
Yeah.
But I feel like I'm over here now. I need to do all these different angles just for a drawing. Never thought
Do you
I'd
need complaints more than you?
That's literally all I've done so far.
I need to tell you.
Oh, that hamburger always is more firework. I'm tired already.
Mom,
Yeah.
this is the already played.
Looks really good, that, yeah.
Can't believe we can even fit this in our living room. I'm doing this side, remember. So, I'm doing it all by myself.
Have you got this email from YouTube? Don't click on it.
What?
I haven't got any email from YouTube. It's really good.
I haven't
The
got...
Google owned company as well, and it's just part of. The email I sent you from YouTube.
Mom,
Johnson & Johnson agreed to pay 8.9 billion to settle claims that talc caused cancer. That's a lot of money, that, like.
8.9 million.
Billion.
Billion. I meant to say billion too. For what?
Just for the talc powder.
Trump.
Talc, that's Trump.
Yeah, I said Trump because Donald Trump.
Mom, I like that.
Fire's not looking good, is it?
When I finish this whole thing, it's my shoulder. I'll do. That's all I've got so far. And literally all I've got so far. There's not a lot of stuff on this side, to be honest. Show me outside. Jesus, baby car. I mean, fatty car. Oh, nice. Right. I'm gonna keep coloring in this guy's beard.
Can't be my beard because you just leave it white.
Sonny, don't mess up.
Oh, hello. Thank you,
Where can the camera see you? Do it again, do it again. Can the camera see you?
hello.
They can see you. They can see you.
Bye bye. Have a good time for
Guys, this is all I've got so far. We're gonna end the video there. We'll do part 2 later when I've actually got some accuracy.